Hello sir, my name is C. Satyakumar. I am working as assistant professor in CAC department, Vardhaman College of Engineering. In this semester, I am teaching formal languages and automata theory. I have chosen the LMS Canvas. So here within the Canvas, I have created the course name called Formal Languages and Automata Theory. So here I published the welcome note to the student, that is formal languages and automata theory. So within this formal languages and automata theory, there are different modules. The first one is the finite automata, second one is the regular expression, third one is the context free grammar, fourth one is the pushdown automata, and fifth one is the Turing machine. So here the first unit is completed, first that is finite automata. So here you can see I have posted the lecture material, that is finite automata.pdf. I have conducted different quizzes like quiz 1 to quiz 5, and I have posted one assignment, Moray and Melee machines, and the final quiz on this module finite automata uh, I have posted. So here this finite automata topic is completed, so I have published this finite automata. So for each module I have provided the lecture material. So here actually I not published this remaining modules because still these modules are going on. Okay, so here this is the elective subject. Total 32 students enrolled, so I added these 32 students into my course formal languages and automata theory course. So these are the students. Okay, so in the Vardhaman College, for each course we prepare the course pack. So within the course pack actually we mention prerequisites. What are the prerequisites for this flat subject? Course overview, course objective, and what are the course outcomes of the flat subject, mapping of course outcome to the Bloom's level, mapping of course outcome to the program outcomes, and how the assessment is going to be takes place, that is internal assessment for 30 marks, external assessment for 70 marks. Next syllabus of the course also mentioned within the course pack. What are the textbooks and reference books, so that should be followed by the students, and other nptel YouTube links are also provided. So lesson plan also mentioned within the course pack. So this course we need to complete within the 42 lectures. Here you can see 42 lectures. So each lecture what topic we need to discuss also mentioned within the lesson plan. So after the lesson plan we give the assignment questions, problem based assignment questions. So after completion of the topic, a student can refer this course pack and solve these questions. So at the end of the course pack we also mention uh, after completion of the course, a student can do what type of projects. Okay, that is we also suggest the projects within the course pack. So here I teach for C and D section. So this is the elective subject, already I told you. So this is professional elective 1. So on what day, what time the course is going to be taught. Okay, so timetable we provided the timetable, that timetable also published within the Canvas. So after completion of a topic I posted the discussion. uh, I created one discussion, that is Murray and Melee machine. Any doubts about this topic, we can discuss within this discussion forum, that also I published within the Canvas. Next some of the announcements I made related to, that is course pack, availability of the course pack, and assignment posted, Murray and Melee machine assignment, and when the quiz is going to be conducted. So these are the some of the announcements which I made within the Canvas. So actually within our college we use the Microsoft Teams teach the in order to teach the lecture. So live lecture we can record within the Teams. So one of the uh, lecture which I downloaded and posted within the Canvas, that is Murray and Melee machine. So here you can see the output function. So the output
Murray and
function of the
machine.
Murray machine, Q stands to delta, that is the out. Okay, so this is the video which I posted within the Canvas. Next I also provided the lecture material. So finite automata, this is the one of the module which is completed. So I provided lecture material for this module. So in this way already I published, but I published for different modules also. within the canvas. So I have conducted quizzes, that is finite automata, one of the module which is completed. So for complete finite automata module, one quiz I conducted while taking the classes finite automata. I have conducted different quizzes, quiz 1 to quiz 5. So one assignment I posted, that is Murray and Mealy machine, one assignment. So one of the student who has submitted the assignment here, this is the one assignment. So I also graded and I commented good. Next, so different quizzes, assignments uh, conducted. So these are the grades obtained by the students. These are the grades obtained by the students. So this is what I'm going to explain. Thank you.